Welcome to Phlywheel. Boy, are we glad you're here and are excited to help you master your marketing. My name is Tara Hunt and this is my team, who you'll see throughout the site contributing to discussions, answering questions, adding content to the Knowledge Center, and hosting live events. Before I pass this along to the team to walk you through, I want you to know that we built Phlywheel because we saw too many businesses in need of professional help but couldn't afford the cost of that help. We're using a unique blend of community, content, and coaching delivered through digital platforms to get you that professional help affordably, but we'll only succeed if you engage. Think of Phlywheel as your extended team. That includes other Phlywheel members. Oh, one more thing before I forget. You'll want to adjust your notifications. The default on this platform is to email you every time some activity happens. So just go to the top right of the screen and click on your avatar, click Your Settings, then Notifications, and you'll be able to set up daily digests, as well as what you want to receive in those digests. With that, I'll pass you along to Amo. Amo?
Thanks, Tara, and welcome to you all. Let's begin with the homepage. The homepage is a newsfeed, kind of like Facebook, but without the crazy uncle bit. When you log in, you'll see posts from people and topics you're following. This will include valuable content, discussions, threads, and polls our members are contributing to. You see that box right at the top with your face to the left? That's your encouragement to post your questions, ideas, and thoughts. There are no dumb questions here, just a bunch of people wanting to see you succeed.
That's definitely right, Amo. The best part of being a member of a community like Phlywheel is people sharing knowledge, which leads me to the next menu item, Discovery. The Discovery page is where you'll see all of the newest posts, members, events, masterclasses, groups, and more. If you're looking to meet new people and see all the trending discussions, this is a good page to visit regularly. I'm Angie, by the way.
Thanks, Angie. Speaking of discovering new people, the next menu item is members. You know, all those people you're having great discussions with, you might as well get to know them on a personal level. The membership page is where you find the human beings in the Phlywheel community. You can search for members who live in the same vicinity or industry as you, follow, reach out, and get to know one another better. You can even chat with me. I'm Christine.
Hey, I'm Max, and you can friend me up too. Let's talk topics. If you're interested in content on specific subjects, the Topics tab is where you can tailor your experience to surface content on those subjects. I'm personally really into podcasts, like really into podcasts. I want to know everything that's going on in that space. So I followed the podcasting topic, and now my homepage feed is filled with everything podcast. I won't miss a single post about podcasts. So if you go and post a list of your favorite podcasts and tag it with the podcasting topic tag, I'll see it. So yeah, please do that.
Okay, Max likes podcasts. We're clear on that one. Me, I'm Tina, and I'm more into events, which is next up on the menu. The Events tab is where you can sign up for one of our many ongoing events, such as webinars, planning jams, guest expert presentations, Q&As, happy hours, and more. Pretty much every week there's something going on, whether it's a live stream presentation that you can just kick back, take in, a guest expert that you can grill for some great ideas, or a group brainstorm to help you hone your strategy. Talk about community.
I mean, community, it's where it's at. And what's especially helpful within the Phlywheel community is that it's broken down even further into niche groups based on our members' interests. So, by categorizing yourself based on whether you like to mentor others or level up your skills, you'll receive content specific to your interest and be able to discover which members' interests align with yours. By the way, I'm Zach.
That's right, Zach. The groups page is where you'll be able to see what niche you are part of. You can also join other groups of interest on this page. There's also an exclusive group for Catalyst and Superconductor members. These groups will have access to exclusive one-on-one training with our team, as well as access to the Knowledge Center, which is a digital library for downloadable templates and guides that we use on all our projects, and that we'd be happy to share with you. So, if you don't want to experience any FOMO, you might want to consider joining. I'm Fernanda, by the way.
And finally, we have our Masterclasses and Faster classes. These classes deep dive into specific marketing topics like brand publishing or content strategy. With workbooks, cheat sheets, templates, and more that come with the classes, you can apply everything you learn to the unique needs of your business. I'm Stephanie, by the way. Now, remember, if you have any additional questions, you can always contact myself and the team. Also, why not keep us with you on the go? Just text yourself the app and you'll receive a link to download Phlywheel on your phone. Welcome once more, and we'll see you around.